Yes, welcome back. The last one is G. This is the last bit of it, where after learning this you'll be able to play any song and anything that you will feel like you want to play. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, like and share. And if you are a member of this channel, watch this video until the end so that you learn the last chord that you require so that you will play a song. So without wasting much time, we are going to play G. So we said in the scale of C we have C, and then number 2 is D minor, and then E minor, and then F, and then G as number 5. So number 1 is C, number 4 is F, and then number 5 is G. So we are still using the same fingers. So these ones, the first, second, third, and the fourth. So the first finger is going to hold string number 5 on fret number 2. Fret number 2, string number 5. And then the second finger is going to hold string number 6 on fret number 3. And then this pinky is going to hold string number 1 on fret number 3. Yes, string number 1 is going to be this finger is going to hold string number 1 on fret number 3, or you can use this third finger. Yes, now that is it. Make sure you can hear a sound that sounds like that. That is a G. Yes, so when you are playing a song, you just play the C, F, C, G. For example, ni salama rohoni mwangu, ni salama rohoni mwangu. Yes, by just strumming that way. So far you cannot feel like legit. You can feel like you know everything about playing a guitar, but that is just the first steps. Those are the steps that you follow, the first steps which you follow when you are playing a guitar. Yes, in our next tutorial we are going to learn how to strum. Yes, the last thing that we are going to learn in our next lesson is strumming and playing a song, an actual song, a worship song, or any song that you have composed in our next lesson. So again, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. See you later.